Hi guys, welcome back. We had a great week last week. I don't know if you remember. Well, I mentioned we have 24 seats available. Probably, I'm going to say 15 of those have been taken. Plus, there are still a few of you who mentioned you wanted to come, but you have not yet received your reservation. Reason I'm bringing this up again is because I want to make sure you guys, get this done, because tomorrow this will be posted on accessandallies.org. So like I said, it's always been open up to everyone, but just wanted to give you guys first dibs. Now, on top of whatever last week we had going on, we had I mentioned I bought all the roundels, from the historical board gaming kind. I'm still missing some. He was out of a few that I ordered, so he'll get to me, get those to me as soon as possible. But I've already gone through, and mostly all of them have been tagged on the back. It's just the way I like them. Like I said, I spent a grip on these bad boys, but so that's cool. So that's another thing. I've gotten all my chips and markers, convoy markers, target select markers, just the fuel gauges, different chips. I mean, got tons and tons of chips. Also, let me get this bag of goodies over here. They do need some D6 dice, so I got the 100 dice have come in, so I can give, we use here about 16 per table, 16 at our table, so probably about the same, 16 per table, just for bombing raids, convoy disruptions, and that kind of stuff. Also, man, I have got all these bad boys primed. And what are these? These are the factories that Doug at Historical Board Game sells. The Major and the Minor. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but you'll know what they are anyways. So those are all primed and ready to go. And I spent Friday night casted, let me see here, 390 pieces. 390 pieces. So we have the air base tower, and then my naval base. So each table is good to go. Look at these, man, 390 pieces. They'll still need primed, because they're going to match the other facilities. And I have finally, now I haven't gone over exactly what cavalry I use. I mentioned many times I use cavalry. I haven't really mentioned what I use, because they are actually hard to find. And not that I'm trying to, keep everything for myself. I had to make sure I was able to get enough for all my tables before I let everyone loose on trying to snatch these things up, because these things are awesome. These are actually Wizards of the Coast pieces. They are actually Axis and Allies pieces. They are Axis and Allies miniatures. The ones I use for China are actually Polish, but the hats and just the dress, they really look like the China guys out of the Axis and Allies, out of box. So use those. Oh, can I see the camera? Actually, there we go. See those, and then they also make Russian ones, and Mongolia ones. So I actually like the Russia ones better than the Mongolia ones, but so we got these bad boys right here, and it's also, these are Axis and Allies pieces, and then these ones are actual Mongolia troops, but I just I like these ones better. So when you come to the event, your table will have these ones. But it took a long time for me to make sure I had all of the pieces I needed. Like I said, I wanted to tell you guys about it a while ago, but they are hard to find, and I didn't want, just for example, one of my tables not to have enough pieces. So But now you know what they are. They are Axis and Allies miniatures. One is Polish cavalry, and like I said, there is a Russian one and there is a Mongolian one. Now, the best part that came in last week, as I mentioned in my research and development, and my custom roundels came in. Now, this is how much we believe in our research and development here, that I spent a lot of money getting these made. So I'm not sure how well these will come up on the camera, but we have heavy tank super subs. Just for example, I'm going to do another video actually right now for research and development, but just don't know if you can, how well these come out on the video, I don't know, but see, it's got that nice shine on there, just like all the roundels done at Historical Board Gaming. Beautiful, beautiful roundels. Couldn't be happier. I got enough for all 6 tables in addition to mine, so good to go. So let's wrap this video up. In the description box, I am going to leave the address of the event. I know some of you have already gotten your air tickets and looking for now local accommodation, so I'll get the address on there. In addition to, remember, if you haven't reserved your spot yet, I really suggest you do so, because I'm thinking for the people that have told me they want to come and have not yet paid, with those included, I think we're at 18 or 19 people, and I only have like 24 slots. So when I put this on axisandallies.org, you know, it's very well that those spots can be taken up very quickly, and I'm not going to tell them they can't go because you haven't done your payment yet. You guys got 2 months notice before Axis and Allies, before the people on axisandallies.org did. So it's more than enough time. So if you want to come, really gotta get that locked in there. So that's it. Like I said, let's wrap this up. Just want to say thanks for everybody. I mean, you guys, I couldn't have done this without you. You know, people that have gotten the map file from me, a lot of you paid extra, and maybe some of you even got the map, maybe not necessarily want to even print it, just to help you know, support some of this. Dice orders, battle box orders, all those kind of stuff. You know, thank you so much, you guys. This really, I mean, it really almost paid for everything. It's just there's like a few things left I gotta do, and we're done, except for building the tables. I think we got mostly everything now. So good, thanks. I mean, it's all because of you guys. So we will have another video next week. I'll try to keep every week just to keep the updates going, tell you what got done, what didn't get done, what we're waiting for. Oh, and just to say, last week I mentioned that Detroit might be coming. He is not a might, he is coming. So gonna see the man. So thanks again. So I do have a bunch of videos I gotta do, starting with research and development. That is because research and development is actually starts pre-game. That starts before we even roll dice. This thing gets started. So we're gonna do that video right now. So make sure my phone didn't shut off so I can turn off the video. All right. So thanks. Bye bye. Did it stop? No, it didn't. Oh, are you kidding me? Alright, I think I gotta manually do it. I think my phone lost. I gotta get up. Let me see if I can. How do I do this? I don't even done it before off the thing, and I feel like an idiot. Cannot. What the heck? I guess I gotta get up.